All right, so for this tune, it's just using basic chords, capo second fret. We'll start on an A minor. Just put your index finger first fret of B, middle finger second fret of D, ring finger second fret of G. And you're gonna do a strum pattern. So you're gonna pluck on the bass note of that A minor chord, which is the A string. So you're gonna pluck the A. And on the higher strings, you're gonna strum down, up, okay? All right, so it'll take some time to get this one. It's actually kind of a deceivingly hard strum pattern to play. So you got down, down, up. Okay, now following that down, up, down, down, up, you're gonna go up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. A little slower. All right. So then you're going to go to a C chord. So all you do is leave your hand pretty much how it is, and you're going to bring your ring finger up to that third fret of the A. So now that becomes your new bass note. So that's how long you're going to stay on that C chord. So we got A minor, C, C. Go to an F. So I like to just play F major 7. I think it just makes it easier. Hop your middle finger and your ring finger down one string. So your middle finger is now on the second fret of the G, ring finger, third fret of the D. And then you're going to pluck that D string now as your lowest note. All right. Now on the recording, I think I can hear him getting that low first fret of the E string, but that requires you to play that bar chord. So you can play that if you want to. So that would be index finger barring across first fret, middle finger, second fret of the G, ring finger, third fret of A, pinky, third fret of D. And then your bass note would be the E string. But I thought playing it like this just made it a little easier for beginners. So here's what we got. Right? So that's through most of the song. So you're going to play that a lot. The other part I heard was so what we're doing there is we're going to D minor, so index finger first fret of high E, middle finger second fret of G, ring finger third fret of B, and then the D string is your root. So you're going to go down, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to move quickly, so we only do the strum pattern once. We're going to move quickly to the C chord. So again, that was index finger first fret of B, middle finger second fret of D, ring finger third fret of A. Now we're going to go to G. Now for G, just set ring finger down, third fret of low E, pinky third fret of high E. And you kind of, if you can, mute out the A with the bottom of your ring finger. I think that's nice. So we're going down, down, up, down, up. And on that up, you hammer your index finger down on first fret of the B. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. I think that's it. So we got third time. You go to F. So you're going D minor, C to F. All right. So then there was a slow breakdown where I hear him playing a whole note strum on A minor to G to D minor to F. All right. And then just kind of lets it die out and then goes to a G chord. And then it's going to go back into the... All right. So that's, as far as I can tell, that's all the sections to this song. Hopefully this lesson was helpful for you getting a start on those parts. And I will see you on the next lesson.